All right, guys, it's first grade. It's Mr. Hunter here. I'm here with your week 10, day number 5. We're doing our reading assignment here. And we've been doing the same things with our Venn diagram, with identifying the same, both, and different. Those are our signal words. So I want you to take a look. Also, you need a pencil. Remember that. Always need a pencil. Write your name at the top of the worksheet. We're going to read the story and then look at the picture. What do you think that we're going to be talking about and comparing and contrasting in today's story? Hmm. That one animal looks like a duck that's in the pond. And then that one looks like a what? A chicken. So we're going to compare a duck and a chicken. Okay. So I think I'm pretty excited to see what we come up with here. We're going to find out how ducks and chickens are the same and how they're different. So one thing we're going to do is you already looked at the illustration. We know what the animals are. Now let's read the first two sentences like we have been doing. All right. Starting here at the top. It says ducks and chickens are birds. They have feathers and they can fly. Now, in those first two sentences, did we say something that was different or the same? We said something that was the same. Ducks and chickens are birds. Do you guys agree? Yes, I agree too. And then they have feathers and they both can fly. Is that true? So that's three things that they're both. So if you have your pencil, you've already drawn on your page, you can draw a Venn diagram on the back of the page there. Venn diagram, two circles, space in the middle for to have for both. So chicken, both, duck. Right? They both are birds. They both have feathers and they can both fly. All right. Now let's keep reading. But I think something different's about to come. But ducks and chickens are different. Okay, that's a signal word. If you want to, excuse me, you can underline the signal words or underline signal words. So when you see different, you can put an underline mark there or circle it to let you know that something is about to tell you that it's different. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Chickens, they have pointed beaks. So you can stop right there. And underneath your Venn diagram on chickens, you can put they have pointed beaks. And then you could see, let's go to the next sentence. It says their feet are sharp. So chickens, their feet are sharp. So we can put chickens, their feet are sharp. Then we go to ducks have flat beaks. So ducks don't have pointed beaks, they have flat beaks. So now we're going to go to the ducks part of the Venn diagram and we'll put they have flat beaks. Their feet have webs of skin. Their feet have webs of skin, so we can put webs of skin. Ducks use their feet to swim. So ducks use their feet to swim. Well, what do chickens use? Well, we're going to find out, but let's put underneath the ducks, we put they use their feet to swim. And then ducks find food in the water. So ducks do a lot of things differently. Their food is in the water. They use their feet to swim. They have flat beaks. Let's see what else. Chickens cannot swim. Wait, that's why they don't have web feet. They don't go in the water. They can't swim. And then chickens, they use their beaks and feet to dig up food. Wow. So they have some things that are similar. They're both birds. They both have feathers and they can both fly, but they find their food differently. If a chicken was to be in the water, it wouldn't be good for it because it can't swim. That's not good. And then there's no food in the water for a chicken. The food for the chicken is underneath the ground. That's why they need sharp claws and sharp feet. A duck, it has webbed feet. Do you think a duck can dig in the ground? Not at all. So it wouldn't be good for the duck. So now we have that. We have our Venn diagram with how they're the same, how they're different. And that's what we call compare and contrast. Now we're going to go down to the bottom. Fill in the circle next to the correct answer. All right. So how are ducks and chickens the same for number 1? A, they both dig for food. B, they both have feathers. Or C, they both have pointed beaks. We need to figure that out. You have to go back to the story and find the correct answer. And when you do, you bubble it in. All right. Number 2, how is a duck different from a chicken? Well, you can go back and read, or you can look at your Venn diagram. And that's why we did that. So you can look at the diagram and see everything that you notice about how they're the same, how they're both, how they're both the same, how they're different. And that will give you the answer there. A duck is a bird, but a chicken is not. I don't think that's right. A duck can fly, but a chicken cannot. I don't think that's right either. A duck can swim, but a chicken cannot. So if 2 are wrong, there's only 1 left. What do you think you put? I just gave you the answer, so I'm not going to do that for number 3. Number 3 says, how is a chicken like a duck? And you have to go through the answers there to figure out the best one. At the end of it, we're going to do just like we did yesterday. We're going to do some phonics with ending sounds. So it says, circle 4 words in the story that end with the same sound as peas. So it says with the ending sound as peas. All right? So you hear the word peas, but what do you hear at the end? You're going to go back to the story and you're going to circle 4 words that have that same ending sound as peas. All right. Hope you understand that. Hope that was a little hint for you. You guys have a great rest of your weekend. And then guess what? Next week, spring break. So I won't see you for a while, but hope you enjoy. Love you guys very much.